colleague ministers present, principal secretaries present, and other senior government officials, representatives from the UN agencies and the Africa Union, partners, members of the private sector, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is my distinct honor and pleasure to address you this afternoon. And let me first take this opportunity to thank the organizers for choosing Kenya to host this important meeting and to sincerely welcome you to Kenya. I know you're coming to the end of the meeting, but I would want also to welcome you officially. Africa continues to face challenges of delivery of quality and affordable healthcare to its people, and it is one of the major obstacles making healthcare inaccessible for millions across our continent, and that is the high cost of medicines, commodities, and other health-related products. For Africa to deliver on the promise of universal health coverage, it is then imperative that leaders, we continue to work together to find solutions to address this obstacle. That is, make medicines and related health products and technologies accessible. The Africa Continental Free Trade Area Anchored Pharmaceutical Initiative not only presents an opportunity for us to collectively work towards lowering the cost of our pharmaceutical products, but also to harmonize our regulations and to enhance quality and safety. As a country, Kenya is happy to be part of this initiative and to be among the countries under the pilot phase. Allow me to also reiterate that lowering the cost of healthcare is one of the 4 pillars of Kenya's universal health coverage. The government of Kenya has prioritized lowering the cost of essential products, particularly through encouraging local production, a key aspect of these efforts. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to report that Kenya recently celebrated a great milestone when Parliament ratified the treaty on the establishment of the African Medicine Agency. The ratification instruments were subsequently deposited to the African Union Commission, with Kenya becoming the 26th member state to ratify the treaty in September 2023, following confirmation of the African Union. The ratification of AMA Treaty, barely 2 years after establishment, is clear affirmation of Kenya's support for regulatory harmonization initiatives in Africa. Through the ratification of the AMA Treaty, Kenya shares the vision of ensuring that all people across Africa have access to essential medicines and health technologies. We also fully support AMA as it works to ensure that there is increased availability of safe, efficacious medicines, medical products, medical devices and diagnostics, vaccines and allied products across the African continent. As a country, Kenya has stated its commitment to supporting local manufacturing. Indeed, our President, His Excellency Dr. William Ruto, is Africa's champion for local manufacturing, and therefore in AMA, we see a great opportunity to progressively increase Kenya and Africa's manufacturing capacity for health products. In line with AMA's vision, Kenya also supports the AfCFTA-anchored pharmaceutical initiative's key objective to address socio-economic related challenges facing the continent in improving access to maternal, neonatal, and child health products and essential medicine and commodities. It is my firm belief that the 10 countries selected to pilot this initiative will provide insights and learning points in the development of a pool procurement mechanism for selected sexual, reproductive, maternal, neonatal, and child health essential medicines and commodities. And beyond the health benefits, the AfCFTA-anchored pharmaceutical initiatives African pool procurement mechanism will also go a long way in creating business opportunities for private sector investment, hence lead to creation of jobs, cost savings, and increased production of medicines. I, therefore, on behalf of the Kenyan government, His Excellency the President, fully commit to support this initiative with the aim of guaranteeing safe, effective, and quality medical products. As we come to the close, I hope you have had time to sample the Kenyan delicacies. And since we are closing a bit earlier, I would like to ask that please take some time and enjoy the beautiful Kenyan coast. And I also like to wish you safe travels back home. Asante sana. Thank you. Merci beaucoup.